I'm really excited. I just wanted to share with y'all the life of an entrepreneur. This is about 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning, and I'm like, I just gotta open you. We gonna do this together. Like, oh my gosh. Okay. Let's bust this baby. So this is a company that I get my seed beads from. They are called Bead, and they have really good prices on gram size amounts of seed beads. They have Toho beads, Mayuki beads, those galvanized beads, like a lot of different seed beads. Zoom in and show y'all some bead colors. So I don't know the name offhand, but it does have a number on it. If you like something, type in that number and it'll pull right up. Wow. Wow. Okay, these were my absolute favorite. This one is called always, thank you guys for watching, and be sure to check out part 2 and 3 of this 3-part massive bead haul series. If you was feeling this video, please give me a thumbs up, and until next time, guys.